Welcome to the Fluid Power Forum, a podcast of the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host on the iVT Off-Highway Expo floor, Ben Brown, and I'm here to interview interesting people who are moving fluid power technology forward at the 2026 iVT Expo. Here with me now is Luke.ferranti from CAPlugs to talk about his iVT experience, as well as what his company is exhibiting and the value that it brings to you, the listener. Thanks for joining me today, Luke. How's your iVT been?
Hey, Ben, great to be with you. So far, it's been really cool. My first time here, and it's really kind of showcased to me kind of a mix of some previous events we've been to, so it's great for us to keep pushing on the off-highway segment.
Yeah, and it's great to have you here. It's a good show, and it's good to see all the people that we're talking to. All right, so what are some interesting things you've seen walking around, some interesting innovations? What stands out to you?
Yeah, so like I mentioned with NAHAD and Con Expo, obviously showcasing at Con Expo a lot of heavy equipment. NAHAD was kind of more of a sub-tier of that from the hydraulics perspective. iVT seems to be a bit of a mix of that, along with some of the technological advances in it. For example, an application we saw were joystick controls. That's not something we've really looked at before from a product protection perspective, but it seems right up our alley. So it's been cool for us to kind of see the mix of things we've seen and also get to see some new applications that we could potentially partner with folks on.
Yeah, and I mean, on the podcast, we've been hearing a few cool things about some new joysticks and some new things coming out, so we're excited for our listeners to be learning more about those things. All right, so now let's jump into CAPlugs a bit more specifically.
Yeah.
What'd you guys bring out? What do you have to show?
Yeah, it's been really cool for us to be able to showcase the entire repertoire of what we offer. Similar to some of those previous shows, we've been really pushing on our hose protection. In particular, we've had a lot of interesting conversations with folks from an installation perspective. Not uncommon for these types of products to come in a roll. We have the capability to offer pre-cut segments as well. And then on top of that, for those end users, we have what's called a bundler tool that they can actually utilize to better, more efficiently install the wrap. So all of that packaged together has really been a strong showcase for us, and we've had some great conversations from it.
All right, so I mean, just kind of the preparation to make sure all the hoses are exactly the way they need to be and as easy to get where they need to be.
Precisely.
All right. And it sounds like one of the things here that really is exciting is kind of the convenience of it and the ease of.
Yeah, absolutely. From a operation perspective, that's important. But what's also been cool is some of the customization features we can offer, whether that be different colorways, different like markings on the sleeves. And it's been cool to hear, from the end user how they're using the product currently and how we could make their lives easier. So from a trusted partnership perspective and product protection, we really feel that we can extend that to hose protection too.
Yep, so customizability and ease of installation. Those are some very good things.
Happy customers.
Happy customers are always happy customer, happy life.
Exactly.
All right, where can our listeners go to learn a bit more about you?
Yeah, absolutely. Feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. I can, work with you directly and get you connected to the right folks. You can follow our page on LinkedIn, CAPlugs. We post a lot of really cool stuff about, our applications and, what we're doing in the industry. And then lastly, our website is a great resource as well, CAPlugs.com. A lot of literature, and you can see our entire catalog, and then also get to see, some of the custom work we get to do and the markets we're in as well.
Sounds like some great resources. Thank you again, Luke, for taking the time to join.
Great to be with you, Ben. Thank you.
That's going to wrap things up for this mini episode of the Fluid Power Forum podcast. Make sure you subscribe to our show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or any of the other podcasting services, and leave a review. It makes a huge difference for us and helps us continue growing the show. Also, remember to follow us on LinkedIn at the National Fluid Power Association. Fluid Power Forum is a podcast of the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host, Ben Brown, reminding you to join us next time in the forum.